if my video freaking even recorded my intro, but I'm trying out the LA Splash Angelic lip balms. I have 4 shades, and the first shade is going to be Angelic, which says that it is the most nourishing shade of orangey coral you'll find. It looks like this. I'm actually re-recording this, okay? These are from the first time I put it on, which was seconds ago. It feels very, very nourishing, like it says. It feels buttery soft. It's definitely not sticky whatsoever. Not sticky whatsoever. And it glides on super smooth. I was super surprised when I first put it on. You got my motion in that, but you know, unfortunately the camera didn't record. But I was very impressed by the opaqueness of it. I don't know completely that you would call this, well, I would still say, like they said, it's a lip balm, but it's almost like a really good lip gloss. So I can say that maybe if you have a shade close to this in like a lipstick, you could possibly put this over lipstick, because it feels really amazing, and it actually does have like quite a bit of color in it. But you know, something to nourish or moisturize your lips, I would definitely say this is a go. Even after the first lippy that I'm putting on. But yeah, and I honestly don't know how informative this will be, considering that they all kind of have a tint of red to it. Yeah, but let's go on to the next one. It's called Fada or Falda. Like, I'm not for sure if it's an A or if it's an I. It's an I, but I don't know how to say it. I'm going with that, and it's kind of, well, it's definitely bright. Now this one, I would say, is definitely less intense and just a sheer coat or a sheer color. It says it is a natural pink that's a little bit deeper than your standard shade. So I guess that would be the standard shade of a lip balm. Still not sticky, still feels amazing. And it claims that all it takes is one stroke of its lip defining precision wand, makes it easier than ever to dress your lips with the look of a stain and a feel of a balm. Which honestly, like, I think it is definitely, you know, making its claim. Feels amazing. I like it. The next shade I'm going to try on is called Trinity. My lips feel really good. They feel really moisturized. Okay, so this one right here, I would say anybody that is kind of afraid of a red or a full-blown red, this would be like really perfect for you. Somebody that just wants like a wash of color or a wash of red. This looks really good, and I would definitely pair this with a full-on red lipstick, especially one of the matte ones. This looks really good. I like this one. Again, this one is called Trinity. Okay, the last shade is called Halo, and it states the sexiest angelic lip tint will get. I'm a little. Okay, so the last lip tint balm, it says, which is called Halo, the sexiest angelic lip tint will get. This color is a deeper reddened stain that looks like your ruby woo got smooched off. Okay now. Okay. I definitely see where they were saying that this is familiar with Ruby Woo, but I feel like it's a little bit deeper than Ruby Woo. But I would definitely pair this with Ruby Woo. Like, I'm honestly very impressed with these lip tint balms. I don't know if I'm completely loving the name lip tint balm, but hey, whatever. Everybody has to be unique, right? But I absolutely love the way this looks. Like, it just looks like, it honestly looks like a lip gloss, but it is a balm because it is nourishing my lips, it is moisturizing my lips. It is so far from being sticky. Like, it feels like butter. My lips are gliding across each other. Like, this feels so amazing, and they smell really, really good. They have like, kind of have like a sweet smell to them, and it's making me kind of hungry. But they feel amazing. I'm giving these a thumbs up. Like, I like these. So these will definitely be added to my everyday wear. I love the upgrade on all of their containers. They all have this, I don't know, this like this crown type thing going on at the top, which is really, really cute to me. Like, I really, really love it. Yeah, if you want a discount on these lip tint balms, well, they're called the Angelic lip tint balms. You will have the code somewhere over here in the video, somewhere right here, somewhere in the video, and there will also be a link down below for these lip tint balms, so that you can purchase if you like. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you